everyone. Welcome back to another session. This is Sandeep Chandra, Chief Editor of Campus Studio Media. Campus Studio is the fastest growing digital video publisher that covers an education ecosystem in India, in which we are sharing the video platform where you can share your viewpoints, thoughts regarding the impact of COVID-19. In the wake of coronavirus outbreak in the country, the students are affected in the huge way as the examination got delayed, the admission got delayed. All the education institutions are closed during the lockdown and facing the big issue as the COVID-19 has affected the campus placement also. So in this contest, we have the special guest with us who can address this issue. And I would love to welcome Mr. Saurabh Badoni. Saurabh has more than 16 years of career experience across the different industry. He worked in media house, international, NGOs, corporate, as well as the education sector. He is currently appointed as an Associate Dean Career Services at DIT University, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Thank you, Saurabh, for being with us. And my question is to how COVID-19 will impact the Indian education system. Over to you.
Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine and keeping yourself safe at your homes. I want to thank you, Sandeep, for inviting me to this platform and giving me opportunity to speak about the impact of COVID-19 on Indian education system. As you know, the COVID-19 pandemic has forced schools and colleges to shut down temporarily and is causing a havoc in the education system. This is a crucial time for the education sector. If I'll talk about the board examination, different boards, CPSC, ICSC, UP, and other state boards, entrance tests of various universities and competitive examination, among others, all are held during this time. Now the situation is that how to overcome with this situation and what will be the impact of education system. You know that the whole calendar of the education system this year has been changed. Now if I'll talk about the admission process, earlier what happens, the admissions process will start from generally from the month of May to month of July to till August or September it ends. Now this process has been changed. Now the admission process will start from the month of July or August onwards when this situation is overcome. Now what all changes will be there in the education system? Now there will be, you know, that most of our syllabus and all the teaching process is now becoming online. Now we are not habitual to the education system which India is following. Now we are becoming habitual to the online system. So if you can see the scenario that the online pattern of the examinations, now it's totally changed. Now we are becoming habitual to the online platform of this. Now I'll suggest what a student can do if how to utilize this lockdown time as well, with how they can utilize this, how this time can be maximized while utilizing this with less activities to distract them. Students can put this COVID-19 lockdown period to a good use if they want. What they can do in this lockdown period? First and foremost, I'll suggest to stay safe. I'll suggest them to attend the online classes regularly, finish any pending assignments, read and research as much as possible in their areas of interest. And now this is the time of introspect on the direction they want for their life. This is a good time they can see and they can introspect how and where they want to go with their life. This is a time they can go for learning activities. There are most of the online platforms available. If I'll talk about Udacity, Coursera, these are the platform they can use their time and they can maximize their time while using these platform. Now, what is the biggest concern of the students now? The biggest concern of however on everybody's mind is the effect of the disease on the employment rate. Recently, if you have heard about that, recent graduates in India are fearing withdrawal of job offers from the corporate because of the current situation. We are requesting the corporates to please overlook this matter and don't withdraw the job offers of the the recent graduates. We request the corporate sectors kindly don't withdraw their job offers. But if I talk about the opportunity part, now this COVID-19 have given us a lot of opportunities. What if I talk about the placement scenario? There are students, they have, if we can go to the positive frame, there are a lot of opportunities in the market now. If I talk about the digitalization, now we are not habitual to the digital process. We are not very much habitual to the online classes. Now these platforms will give you the edge for the future learnings. These will give you the edge for your jobs. So you can create a lot of opportunities by using these platforms. Now the part of automation, as you are aware, now automation has been kicking off in the industry. So everything is automated now. So this is the process where you can learn the things. Everything is going on automation part. So automation have a lot of future in the market. So students can have these learning. They can learn the automation. They can go for the digitalization. If I talk about the startup industries, yes, there are a lot of opportunities in the market for the startups. There now everything will be done. The future, if I'll talk about the COVID-19, after the COVID-19 future, there will be a new era, new beginning in this scenario. New startups will come, new technologies will arrive. So we have, if we'll see, there are, if we'll see the positivity. So there are a lot of things we can work out. There are a lot of opportunities in the market. The new energies, new trends will come. So I'll suggest to students to search maximum time, use your maximum time for the research and innovations in this lock time. In this time, we know that it's a crisis and we have to overcome with this crisis. There are a lot of opportunities. You can search online. You can see many platforms those who are available. There are a lot of where start building your connectivity, so you can work out for this time. In this time of crisis, a well-rounded and effective educational practices is what is needed for the capacity building of the young minds. It will develop skills that will drive their employability, productivity, health, and well-being in the decades to come, and ensure the overall progress of India. I want to thank you, Sandeep, again for this platform. And if you want to connect with me, you can search me on my LinkedIn and Facebook account. You can connect with me, and I can come live to you if you have any kind of queries in future. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sandeep, again.
Thank you, Saurabh, for being with us and address this topic. And I hope our viewers will definitely benefit with this video. And I would like to thank you to my all viewers who are watching this video. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe to stay home, to stay safe. Thank you.